5 years ago, the drivers used to deliver in their own vehicles. There was a rash of lawsuits around how to properly reimburse the delivery drivers for using their own personal vehicles. We were unfortunately hit with one of those lawsuits. And after settling the lawsuit, we came to a crossroads where we either had to decide we're going to pay 63 cents a mile, the IRS reimbursement rate. Something had to give. Through Domino's corporate and enterprise fleet management, we decided to go with company-owned cars. How do we now control our cars? How do we make sure that our drivers are delivering safely in our vehicles and make sure they're not speeding, driving recklessly, not wearing their seatbelts? So we wanted to partner with a company that could provide us that information and that feedback that we needed in real time. And Enterprise brought Geotab to the table.
The Geotab training was wonderful too. Anything I needed, they could completely customize. Anything they needed, they could get for our drivers.
The technology is amazing because in the last 3 years, we've had about 15 bad accidents. In 13 out of the 15 accidents, the technology proved we were not at fault. We were able to get our deductible back. Our insurance after the first year actually went down on the cars. The drivers really like having the company cars to drive, not putting the wear and tear on their car. They know that they're in a safe vehicle and they're getting more deliveries per hour and they're making more money. Even though our fleet continues to increase in size, our insurance continues to go down because the Geotab technology has been keeping our drivers safe and keeping us out of accidents, and the accidents we are in, we're able to prove are not our fault. I don't think our drivers have ever been as safe as they are now. If you own and you have your own company cars, you can't go with anybody else but Geotab.